Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video is kind of timely in the sense that just recently in my last Body Mods Q&A, I was asked, how do you take care of nose piercings when you're sick? And my response in that video was, you take care of them as you would any other nose with or without nose piercings. You know, you don't treat it any differently. However, what I mean by timely is the fact that I am currently dealing with some nose issues. I'm not necessarily sick per se, but I did just come back from a music festival in California where the dust was absolutely insane and made everyone's nose run or stopped everyone up. And so I personally am dealing with really bad congestion / runny nose issues right now. And I'm realizing that I do care for my nose a little bit differently because of my nose piercings than I did before. So for today's video, I'm just gonna give like some tips, some very quick tips on how to kind of just take care of your nose with nose piercings so that you don't deal with potential infections later on and to just kind of keep your airways clear. So the first thing is, if your nose piercings are healed, then you should be able to care for your nose or whatever as normal. It shouldn't be a problem. However, if your nose piercings are still healing, it is very important to keep up with your aftercare, as that can cut down on potential infections that may arise from a sickness. It can also just help clear things up inside your nose because it is a pretty tight space in there, and if you're like me and you have multiple nostril piercings as well as a septum piercing, it can get a little clogged in there, especially if you are sick and are developing a lot of mucus. It's important to make sure that you can breathe as well as just making sure everything is cleaned out in there. So if you are currently sick during the sick phase of this all, it is important to make sure that your jewelry is cleaned, is cleared off, there's no mucus sticking to it. This is a little disgusting, but you know what? This is what happens when you're sick. Mucus can be soft or hard, and sometimes it'll cling to your jewelry. I have noticed sometimes before, if I just look up into my nostrils, I'm like, wow, there's a hunk of snot all around my jewelry. That's disgusting. Let's clean it out. Continue to clean it out. Make sure nothing else has accumulated there, and it'll just make your piercing healthier, as well as just make it easier for you to breathe. I will say, if you are sick and you're noticing a lot of nasal issues and your piercings are healed already, and so you're not doing the typical aftercare that you do when your piercings are healing, I would go ahead and pick it back up and not necessarily do the twice a day or anything, but just make sure that you're using your saline solution to make sure that none of the mucus or any of the bacteria that may have been trapped in the mucus is like stuck inside your piercing site, because that's just nasty and nobody wants that. Now I will say, with nose piercings, sometimes it's a little bit more difficult to blow your nose. So if you're noticing that you do need to blow your nose, try not to blow as hard as you might normally without nose piercings, because the force from blowing so hard can actually irritate your piercing sites. And you don't want that, just because it makes it hurt, it makes it red. Nobody wants that for their piercings. So something, once you're past the whole sick phase, once you're all done with that, you've made it through unscathed. A good practice would be to take out your nose piercings, sanitize the jewelry, and then put them back in. That way you know for sure that there's no bacteria harboring on those pieces of jewelry, and that when you put it back in, you've cleaned everything thoroughly. You don't risk either infection or getting sick again because there's no bacteria still in there, no germs still in there. So sanitizing your jewelry, much like the same solution that you would clean a piercing bump or any kind of piercing infection. You know, take that warm water with a little bit of salt, mix it up, just drop your jewelry in there, let it soak for a bit, clean the site while it's soaking, and then that way you don't risk any potential germs or bacteria being trapped inside your piercing sites. Another good practice is to just continue to clean inside your nose around the piercing sites, whether you're sick or, you know, you're over being sick and you're just kind of making sure that no mucus is still in there. This is whether you have a cold, whether you have allergies, which is primarily what I'm dealing with right now, is just the dust from the festival site was so insane that my allergies just kicked up, and I don't really have allergies. So if I'm dealing with a bunch of gunk in my nose right now, I can't imagine people who do have intense allergies might be feeling. Now, another tip is that certain jewelry type might be able to relieve pain. So if you are experiencing any kind of pain with your nose piercings while you're sick, while you're dealing with allergies, perhaps your jewelry type should be changed out. Sometimes any kind of metal can end up sticking to your nose, and that's just gross and painful. So changing out to something like glass can potentially remove that issue, even if you just do it while you're sick. And my last tip for dealing with your nose piercings while you're sick is you may notice that like the tip of your nose gets very raw and very red, and it just starts to hurt after a while, especially if you wear a septum clicker that's close to your nose, kind of like mine is. I'm noticing that my nose is red and raw, and anytime I wipe it, it really hurts. So a good tip for that, and this is safe for piercing sites, is Vicks Vaporub. And what you can do with this is, you don't need a whole lot. You can just take a Q-tip, put a little bit on the end, and just dab it onto the tip of your nose and around the piercing site. Now, I will say for the Vicks Vaporub, definitely don't get it inside of your piercing site, whether it's healed or still healing, especially if it's still healing, because it will burn and it will hurt. But putting it around the piercing site or on the tip of your nose or anything like that can actually give that cooling effect that Vicks is so well known for, and can make it a little bit more bearable, especially if you find yourself blowing your nose, cleaning your nose, sniffling, wiping, whatever you're doing while you're sick or having allergies. It can just help relieve that pain that comes along with it. Hopefully no one is dealing with an illness right now or dealing with too bad of allergies, but in case you are, I hope these tips help you. Some people probably disagree with me saying, oh my God, you don't need to do all of that. Some people will be like, oh my God, you're not doing enough. It's just however you think you need to deal with your piercings, healed or not healed. Moral of the story, keep up with aftercare and just take care of yourselves. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Going down there and hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I don't know, even though I do. This is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.